In this video, I will show you how to install EPA files on your iPhone in a step-by-step guide. Step number 1 says, open the link above and then upload or download your EPA file. Once you're done downloading it, it will look like this, and this is the details plus the QR code itself. You can use it to scan it. And then step number 2 says, open the www.iphonecake.com and then click horizontal 3 lines in the top right corner of the site. So these are the horizontal 3 lines in the top 3 corner in the site. So after that, you go ahead and then click on install package and install the required certificates for the small or the same. So go ahead and then install the certificates, and this is how the page will look like. Then the next step over here says you'll have, after installation, you'll have to ask for verification of the certificate, and then verification will occur, which can be in form of phone settings via the settings, general profile, and then device management, then verify CRCC profile. And this is how the verification of the CRCC profile looks like. Generally, this means from the CRC Group of Companies Limited. After doing that, reopen the app cake, and then you'll see it will be verified in your AppCake verification center in your iPhone. Then after doing that, go ahead and install what you want to install. As you can see, you'll choose what to install. Install in a custom way, install in a normal way, or share the application. Go ahead and install in a normal way. After doing that, your installation will be successful. So that's how to do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We shall meet once again.